Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Srimali. I hope you all are doing well and grabbing all the dreams by hard work and smart work. I wish you may get whatever you desire and wishing you the best for your bright and best future. Today, we will tell you about prediction of October month. Monthly prediction will be about the different areas of life such as business, profession, money, love and relationship, health, etc. Let's see the overview of October. I am giving you some of the transit date and you will see special prediction on these transit in upcoming days. On 2nd of October, Mercury transit in Virgo and Venus transit in Scorpio. On 11th of October, Saturn will straight. 17th October, Sun will transit in Libra. 18th of October, Jupiter will straight. 23rd October, Mars transit in Libra. And last, 30th October, Venus transit in Sagittarius. My dear friends, it's time to move on to the monthly zodiac prediction for your sun sign. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. Business professionals may face some loss, but after 14th of October, situation can be changed by smart work. Higher officials will support you at the workplace. There is a possibility of getting promotion in the job as well. There will be an atmosphere of peace and harmony, love and affection in the family. You will get all kind of support from the family and friends. If you are interested in marriage, then you may get married. Both love and arranged marriage are possible. Religious or professional trip is expected between 2nd of October to 22nd of October. Dear friends, now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. There may be sudden new changes at workplace which will be in your favor. The communication skill of the artist will be strong. The time is particularly auspicious for working traders and training business, especially after 16th of October. There will be a possibility of doing some work in the partnership. Your relatives may hurt you. Be a little cautious. There may be problem in your personal life as well as differences with your spouse or family members. Religion and spiritual thoughts will grow in your mind. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. On the economic front, there can be sudden money gain. Avoid hasty tasks at the workplace. Hasty actions can get you into trouble. Online reselling business will reach new heights after 3rd of October. Student, artists and players should not let the mental stress dominate themselves. Religious and spiritual thoughts will increase. A new guest may arrive in your family. That is, you may get child happiness. You will need to pay special attention to your health. Now let's move to Crab, that is Cancer. Your business will be blessed with a big deal, resulting in good profit. Because of your positive thinking, you will come in contact with good and high profile people. Students studying abroad for higher education are expected to face some issues. Results of government job exams will not be in your favor, so do smart study. Long running family disputes will get resolved, especially after 12th of October. You will get support from family and friends. You will be healthier and more fit than before, which will make you happy and satisfied. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. Business persons or young entrepreneurs will see new project for profit. Superiors will be helpful in your task at workplace, office. Financially, you will be able to increase your sources of income. Your fortune will support you at the task that were stuck in life will start. The hard work and efforts will pay off now. You will get special support from people and you will move forward. Your mind will be engaged in research-based activities. Students will get good result of efforts. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. If your project or work is stuck somewhere, you will be able to continue if again after 5th of October. You are expected to get special benefit from your friends in term of job. Communication skill can prove to be the key of your success. There can be good opportunities for the pupil who want to influence their love. The student will have better concentration and their learning skill will improve. You can bring yoga and meditation in your lifestyle to tackle the problem. You will be able to spend a good time with your close ones. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Your financial situation seems really good, but some disputed may cause you harm. Starting new business or expanding business. In both the case, mid of October will be auspicious. Students will get distracted due to lack of concentration, so stay focused. You will relocate for job from native place. Your status in society will increase and due to this you will get success. Family or love partner becomes more complicated due to your behavior. You may face some health related issues, so take special care of health. Personal and professional trip is expected. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. You are expected to yield good returns from new investments after 9th of October. You may have conflict at workplace. Think, speak and be calm. You may take time to prove your worth to your bosses. Changes of job or changes in job is favorable. So grab it and get it. Students will be distracted from studies and will be involved in love affair. Married people will experience of rich love. Try to change your behavior to avoid any distress. You may need to travel for any urgent work. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Business persons will surely be able to earn good profit. A long trip lies ahead with government officials after 4th of October. You need to soften your tone with colleagues to avoid differences during the mid month. Expenses will rise, but a pending task since long time will be done. Unemployed are expected to get employed. Engineering or technology related students will focus more on their projects. Be careful of money matters. While traveling else, you may have to suffer losses. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. This month, business persons associated with the business of hotels, restaurants, food and beverages, bar owners, travel agents will be able to see a rise after long time. Be careful about the decision you make regarding government work. Unemployed are expected to get employed between 8th of October to 27th of October. Students will focus more on their projects. No serious health issues are likely to happen and minor ones can be taken care by medical help. Now let's move to water, that is Aquarius. It would be good for those who want to start a fashionable or fabric clothing business. You can also fulfill your dream of having a new home or car for yourself at this time. You can be successful in achieving a lot of progress in your field of work. Your leadership qualities will grow and you will be good at earning profit. You will be more into socializing and you will have fun around with your friends. Your romantic life can be expected to be very luxurious. Relation with your family or friends will be very good. Health related issues can be rise. Take special care of food, especially after 6th of October. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. Investment and hard work done in the past will see good results now. You will be safe financially and you will feel healthy and wealthy. Your position and reputation will increase, which will make you happy. You will be happy about getting a job in a good company with desired package after 15th of October. Interior designing, fashion designing, multimedia, creativity, app developer, web developer get a chance to showcase their skill. You will shine in your office and will gain praise for your work. Yoga, exercise, meditation, sports activities, workout can help you in being fit. Your enemies may try to harm during traveling, so be careful. Dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies. These remedies will help you for better future. Do not keep religious pictures or books in your bedroom. Chant the Shani Chalisa after sunset on Saturday, especially Om Sham Shanishcharaya Namaha. Watering and nurture a peepal tree every day except Sunday or on Tuesday. Add a small amount of rose water to your bathing water. Dear friends, offer boiled rice with sugar to cows every day. However, this is just a special forecast on monthly prediction of October. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. At the end, all I want to say is don't drop the hope. Just grab the hope, do your best, and get the best. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.